Now let's try the next one. Round to the nearest thousand. 7,417. Let's highlight thousand to help us remember that we're rounding to the nearest thousand. And when I look at my number, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So I know over here I'll go in 1, 2, 3, 4. And of course, after every 3, we put a comma. Let's go ahead and put that in. Let's make it a little bit smaller. I guess I can make my numbers a little bit larger. And let's put it over. If you want to use your drawing tool, that's fine too, as long as you feel comfortable. So I have 7,000. I need my comma. Let's go back a little bit. Perfect. 7,417. When my numbers are in the 1000s, they have 4 digits, and so that's why we have 4 digits in our place value chart over here. Next step, if we're rounding to the nearest 1,000, we need to find the 1,000. Here's our 1,000. Here's our target number. In order to figure out if we go down to 7,000, because we know this is a little bit above 7,000, or if we need to figure out if we go up to 8,000, we need to use our number to the right. In this case, this digit represents our hundreds. But before I get ahead of myself, let's use our number line. So I'm going to select my text tool again. This time we're going to select black. Go down here. So we could either round down to 7,000 or we could round up to 8,000. Let's move that over a bit. And 7,417. Our halfway point would be about right here. 400's a little bit lower, so let's go right here. And that's where I put 7,417. Please don't forget that comma. That will make your life easier. So based on my number line, I can tell that it's closer to 7,000. But we are also making sure that we truly understand the meaning of each digit. So up here, we're going to look at our number to the right. Our target is thousands. So that's why this one's underlined. In order to figure out if it goes down or up, we look at the number on the right. It's a 4, and I know that that's smaller or less than 5. So I know I round down. If it helps, you can put an arrow. The number to the right affects this number right here. And since it's under 5, it's less than 5, we know that this goes down to 7,000. So I'm going to circle 7,000 to show that I know 7,417 rounds down to 7,000.